Welcome to the EuroLEAN Plus lecture series on the design of work cells. As stated in the video on quantifying flow characteristics, in complicated situations with many parts and many different operation sequences, it can be very helpful to obtain a general idea whether a dominant flow exists or not. We can quantify this using the flow dominance measure. This lecture covers two examples calculating and analyzing the flow dominance measure.
So here we have three items, three machines with flow between them indicated. So we see that product A uses the sequence machine 1, 2, 3, product B uses 2, 1, and product C uses 3, 1, 2. So in effect, the three products have three different operation sequences. The quantities per shift combined with the equivalence factor that indicates that B has double the weight compared to A or C yields the equivalent flow volume that is shown in the from to chart at the bottom. From that, we can calculate the average equivalent flow W. And it is given in blue. When we apply the flow dominance calculations, we obtain a F factor of 0.5, which is smack in the middle, indicating that no dominant flows exist, which is obvious since we had three different process plants with about equal weight. Another example with three products which follow more or less the same flow sequence. A and C follow 1, 2, 3. B only needs machines 1 and 2. We repeat the calculations and we end up with the flow dominance measure of 0.027, which is very close to 0, indicating a very dominant flow. Again, very obvious since the three products use more or less the same flow.
Thank you for watching. In this video, we calculated and analyzed the flow dominance measure in two examples. To learn more about other lean techniques for customized manufacturing, please visit EuroLEANplus.org.